Let's take a look at how to use the reset function and change the LCD display between milliliters to ounces on your Breville Grind Control brewer. You can reset the machine back to factory settings, which include the clock, auto start time, and the grinder output times if the calibrated settings aren't suitable. First, press the menu exit button. Then rotate the strength dial to reset. Press the strength dial to select. Now you should see Yes flashing on the LCD. Press the strength button to confirm, and the machine will beep to confirm the reset. Your brewer is now reset to factory settings. Another helpful function is being able to change the LCD display from mil to ounces. To do this, hold down the cup carafe button and the strength button at the same time. The LCD will now toggle between mil and ounce indicators. Release both buttons once you have your desired indicator.